So Edgar, how's your experience thus far? Can you speak in Castilian language?
Sí, ¿cómo la pasé? Primero que gracias a vos, Ali, por mostrarme esta naturaleza y esta parte de Doha, Qatar, en la cual la estoy disfrutando al máximo, y gracias a Dios también no hay tanto sol y se ve todo hermoso, es completamente diferente y un parque bien innovativo. Estoy contento del día desde que empezó hasta ahora, y encima dentro de un rato que me tengo que alistar para ir a ver el partido del Mundial de Argentina contra Holanda. And now I'm going to say it in English so you can understand.
Sure.
First of all, I wanted to say thank you to you, Ali, for bringing me to such a beautiful place. It's nature, all full of nature, very innovative and very up to date. And I've been enjoying the whole thing from beginning till end, all the way till now. And I know that right now, right after this, I'm gonna get ready to enjoy also the World Cup that is my country, Argentina, is gonna be playing Holland in a little bit. And it's gonna be a cool, full, complete day from nature to tournament. And I thank you for it.
Thank you very much.
Gracias, Ali.
Take care.